Okay, here we go. We're live. So wait, okay. Let's put this here. There we go. Live chat. Okay. Actually, nah, yeah. Let's leave it there. Actually, no. Let's leave it there. And I'll leave this right there. Yeah, that works better. Okay, there we go. Okay. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Wait, is this working? Okay, yeah, I see the mic. Okay, yeah, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be doing the same thing. You have any computer issues, problems, ask away in the chat. That's the main reason for this stream. I'm just a person that does computer guides, straight to the point. You have any problems or issues, mention them in the chat. That's what we're going to be doing. You might see me right now doing any troubleshooting. That's because for my own issues. So when I try to do something different, then if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So that's basically that's what this stream is all it's gonna be about. So I was gonna do something for Mac. Um, what's this guide? I made this before. You know what? Let's actually try to use the Linux that one of our users, one of our subscribers mentioned. But I'll say it again to anyone new watching the stream. The whole point of the stream is if you have any computer issues or problems, just mention it in the chat below. I have here the chat with me, and that's where I'm going to be attentive right now. We'll talk it out, we'll collaborate with each other so everybody gets a feel on what is going on here. All right, now that's what we want to do, basically. Live computer issue or problems that you have is mentioned on the chat below. I am gonna put this here, this sideways. I am gonna try to see if I can install this. I don't think I could do it with this. I'll give it a try. There. Oh no, wait, let's actually Yeah, shut this one off. Let's try to use a different one. Okay, I'm gonna use this guide. Okay, could I use this guide to install this on Windows? I think I need to download Camel. Okay, perfect. So Camel's installed. There we go. Oh, hello, Afi again. Welcome. I tried yesterday to see what you mentioned about the GPU splitting, and I cannot get it to work. Notice that I needed like an expensive GPU. We're on Windows today. Oh yeah, definitely. I wanted to do some different troubleshooting today. Let's see. Yeah, I was looking into it almost all day yesterday. I made another stream, but everything came back to the expensive GPU. The only thing that I found that might be a little bit relatable is Looking Glass. This might be the only thing relatable that I found. But I'm not sure about it. I still haven't like put more detail on this. So I'm like taking a break from this part and want to do something different. But I could try again because basically that's the main reason of the stream. If you have an integrated GPU with your CPU, wouldn't that count as having two GPUs? It would have, but my CPU doesn't have an integrated graphics. That's one of the main reasons. This like I like this GPU that I have right now. I mean this CPU that I have right now, but it doesn't have any graphics. That's the little downside that I didn't know when I bought it. So at least for me, for my requirements, I just have one GPU for now. That sounds even better. Integrated in the script, you have more firepower than what I have right now. I could try to add another. Like I was thinking of adding another graphics card for me and try it like that, but then I remember I have a micro ATX motherboard with only one PCI slot. Maybe I can figure this out. You could. Right now, this is what I'm literally gonna be trying. Looking Glass. It's supposed to be the closest thing to what you were mentioning in GPU pass-through. You know what? I'm gonna give it a try now. Why not? I'll just look into the information. Isn't a stable release. Official stable. Okay. I have an old GPU laying around. Maybe I'll try to install that so I have two. I'm not sure what I want to do yet. Mm, that could be beneficial for you if you have more than one PCI slot. So Looking Glass, yes. So Looking Glass, it's supposed to be the same thing as a GPU pass-through, but it's like you're running it like remotely. I'm not sure yet. I need to do more research on it. Documentation. If I'm gonna get stuck, so I might use the documentation or try to research a little bit faster with AI. I have three PCI slots. Oh, okay, shit. You can, oh, that's gonna work perfectly for you if you have three slots. I'm guessing you have a full ATX motherboard. I used to have one of those, but I really wanted a small form factor because I just didn't want anything big in my room, just to make everything more lighter and movable. Well, I guess you could say portable. Okay, so requirements. Most basic is to have a system with two GPUs. Oh, what? A discrete and integrated. Ah, damn it. This is not gonna work for me. I didn't read that part. These are the minimum requirements. Um, recommended. Yeah, I have this. I don't have another. Uh, damn it. Okay, I guess I could also scratch this for something else. I feel the small form factors attract. I'm pretty sure my G will take some of my other slots. That could be on. Yes, that's a reason. You could maybe. I think it's stupid, but having a big one and the other one like just covers it up, it's basically forcing you to use an extension slot. So that way you can use all three of them with no difficulties. By that way, you could use it extending, but where the heck are you gonna attach that? From the outside or put it like on a little stand? So yeah, this is not gonna work. Okay, there's gotta be another issue. So right, anybody new? Okay, yeah. So anybody new on the chat, thank you guys for watching. If you have any computer problems or issue, don't hesitate. Just ask on the chat below, and we'll try to recreate the problem or see if I can do it with you guys. Right now, I was just trying to check a GPU pass through, but I'm guessing I'm not going to be able to do it due to my limitations. But that's all right. I'm gonna try to do a different troubleshoot as well. Yeah. Yeah, Discord, I'll send you a photo of inside my PC and you can maybe help me figure out how to get another GPU there. Mm, I thought I added mine on YouTube. That's alright. I do have a Discord. I just really don't use it that much. I guess I'll just add it for the next stream. But yeah, I'll try to help with that part. Uh, hello, Nitoyu. Yes, it's so I was. This is for a GPU pass-through as well, but it's not gonna work for me. I need to have at least two GPUs on my system, so I'm stuck on that part. I'm just gonna do something different. Mm, okay, then in that case, like, give me some time and I'll just, because I do have a Discord. I just gotta add it. I'll just add it to the YouTube channel. Okay, like, give me a minute here, and I'll just up add it on. I can upload it to image draw and just send the conf file in the end. Then it isn't a link. Okay, yeah, you could do that. But either way, I'll add the Discord just in case. I just forgot a lot of people use it since I don't really use it that much. I didn't thought about it. Okay, for some reason this is not. Oh, this is not opening up. I'll give that a few more minutes. Maybe it's just taking a long time. Okay. That's all right. Just give me a few more minutes, and I'll just add my Discord to the channel. Just trying to remember how to do it. That's all right. I'm pretty sure. I think it's because of people might send fake links or that. I think it's just more for security. Mm, I think I'll just make a server about it. I just need to check a few things. Sec. Oh my, oh my gosh! Thank you so much. SEK. What currency is that? Okay, why is this not working? When I need to add this. Um, skip. Swedish crown. Ah, that's cool. I think you that. Thank you so much for your support on that. I just gotta. Let's see if I can try to. So I only have this cord here. How do I? Oh, they even take cuts from that. I didn't know that. But still, I am really grateful for that. I really appreciate that a lot. I'm trying to I'm trying to make a Discord server and just connect it to this. Since you're curious for Discord, I'll just make a server, but I am trying to figure out how to add it to the YouTube right now. Just can't remember. I need to do a lot of changes. Okay, so wait, pin that down. Okay, where's the invite? Yes, I can. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Yes. Members. Okay. Okay, I'll see if I could do that. Let me just find the link of this. So then I'll need to modify it and add other parts. Settings, notification setting. Oh, invites. Okay. Share this expires in 60 days. Okay, I can run this for 60 days. Copy. Oh, I see. Okay. That's interesting. Let me see here. Publish. Okay. Now I think if I go to my channel, I should be able to see it. Now, where was it that I need to go? Oh, no, wait, not here. Now I'll need to next modify. Here we go. Okay. So if I just add it here, 10. There we go. Okay, so that's supposedly gonna be valid for 60 days, so I just need to keep updating it every 60 days. Sweet. Now I just need to keep modifying it. I haven't added a picture or anything on it. Okay. What else can I add here? Um, oh, I see the photo now. Let me see that. Oh, holy crap. Now that's a piece of a computer. Man, what's yeah, you got a giant one there. Man, I think the best thing that you could do, but it's just gonna make more of a mess. Literally use the extension slots. Literally, this would be the only thing helpful, but you will literally need to change those. Oh yeah, the riser card, these things. Now this is the only thing that might make it more easier since you have three slots. You can just buy three of these and try to. Well, no, if you have more of these, then these things are just gonna be more difficult to put because you have to have another way on where to add it. But using these are actually called riser cards, but there's just basically an extension. But there's a downside about that. It's supposedly it's not the same. What's the word? The it doesn't give you the same speeds. It's supposed to lower the speeds. That's supposedly the disadvantage about it. But since your computer's so big, yikes. I mean, the GPU is humongous. Let's see. So that's gonna be an issue. That's the only thing that I could like have for as consideration, like using a riser, an extension cable, and try to add another one. Or if you just wanna use, yeah, I use the GPU for machine learning and AI. Well, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. The other thing is you can buy like one of those like I remember you could also try using a GTX 750 Ti. Because if I'm not mistaken, these ones are really no. There's a smaller one. There's a tiny edition, like something like this. You could actually use this one if you just want to use it to, but you want to use it for AI. Need a card with a lot of RAM. Ah, okay, shit. Okay, never mind then. That's not gonna work. You want to use it for AI or machine learning? Yeah, no, you're gonna need a monster card. But they're just so big. What else? What else? What else? There has to be a different alternative. No, no, the car I have is big, and I use it for A. The other GPS is want it says for a GPU pass through. Okay, okay. Well, if that's the case, then using the extension cable and adding the other car could work for you. But damn it, in my case, can't really try to use it. Can't really show on how to. Right now, I'm limited because I cannot do it myself, so I can show it. We need to get another mother. I need to get another motherboard because I do have a lot of PCs here, but they're mostly small PCs. The tiny one could work for my use case. Yeah, that could work. So I have a bunch. I have like a little system that has a bunch of computers using but there's just a small, and they're not gonna work. Small factor. Okay, so these computers. No, not that one. No, not that one. No, where is it? I saw it. Okay, now these type of computers, I have around 7 of these, but I can. Some of these you can connect a graphics card to it, but I would need an extension cable for it. Usually, two of these are hypervisors, and the other twos, one is a firewall, and the second one, if I haven't used it in a while, the second one is supposed to be a tiny NAS that I made it. Okay, I'm seeing other people join. Guys, if you're new to the stream, put down your problems or issues that you have with your computer, and we'll try to figure it out. And I'll try to recreate the problem. Okay. Discord. There we go. Got a couple micro PCs. I use them for my home lab and security. They're really nice. They're really useful. Definitely. Like none of these computers, no Windows. It's crap. I honestly just putting this Windows, it's just gonna kill it. Using CS Linux or a hypervisor for this, it's perfect. It's a powerhouse. Now there's something else. Cause that's another thing. Using these little computers with cockpit makes it easy to manage. I'm not sure if you ever tried cockpit. It's really good. Let me see. Let me try to open up this again. I'll try to run this. I just want to know why it's not working. Um, yes. Okay, wait. Where is... I am missing something. I am missing something. I will never use Windows or anything, any one of them run OpenSense, that FreeBSD, and that one is essentially the router, and the other ones run a Debian server. Oh, that's pretty neat. Copic, you know what? Let me see if I could try to run this. I don't think I should. It'll give me connectivity issues. I'll try to do it in a different way. First up, I'm trying to run. I don't know what happened to this. You know what? Let's do something different. I'm gonna delete this machine and do it again from scratch. Power it off, yes. I'll delete that. Data store, data browser, ISOs. Here's the Debian. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna upload. Let's use Fedora for this case. I have it here in Bento, Fedora. Open that up. Let's upload that one here. If you're into security and home learning, I would recommend looking into OpenSense. You make your own router with that OS, and much better for security and monitor your network. OpenSense, is that the same as pfSense, or are you referring to, like, the only ones that I know for network would be pfSense, which I think is really good. Now, OpenSense, it's basically the same but with a different GUI. Well, these are the only two that I know of that I use personally to do a lot of troubleshooting. She said OpenSense. OpenSense. Yeah, it's basically the same. Ah, okay. What is this? I could try this one out. Ah, OP Sense. Okay, okay, so it is that one. I was like, yeah. So for this one, I did make a video on, it's just like a simple, straightforward video on how to set up a simple networking on it. Like if anybody needed like some help with that. So like this would be, let's see, I think I remember. It was, I didn't make it, I remember that far. Yes, yes, here it is. Yeah, I made it with Promox. This is the one. Yeah, I made this one, and I also made a pfSense one. They're really useful if you just want to like set up a simple networking, and that's it. Straight to the point. Oh, you're using it as a primary router? Oh, that's pretty sweet. You can do so many configurations. I honestly, I do love how OpenSense GUI is, but at the same time, I get like a little bit confused. So I still roll back to pfSense. But I do hate a little bit on how they change other stuff. What was that? Then I use LStack for login network. LStack? I never tried that. What is that? L stack. Compromise. Like PSNs is it's literally the same thing. It's just the GUI is different. Like you know what? I'll install it so you can see how it is. I'm pretty sure. Wait, I think I'm pretty sure I have it already here. No, wait, it's not there. I think I have the ISO. I think I'm pretty sure I have it here. Ah, here it is. PSNs. Yeah, this one. I have it right here. So let's try that one out. Now you can see let's create that. Um, I have too many things open. Ventoid, PSN, let's open that up. Free BSD version 10. Okay, perfect. Max. Yeah, let's put PSN so it works. Because this usually PSN has a lot of issues sometimes. Like it just doesn't want to work. It might not work for me now because I would need to change the IP. So it might not open. And if I do that, then I'm gonna lose service and I might lose the stream. But still, I can try it out. It's literally the same thing. There we go. Okay. I use the autos just to keep it all automatically. Yeah, let's do that. Stripe, no mirror. This is a demonstration. Just select that. This is an old version, so this actually changed the installer. Yeah, just destroy it. Like a lot of people might not like it because maybe they do. Maybe I could be wrong because it looks like old-fashioned. I think is the right word to use. I think it's just because of the GUI. Okay, it's almost done booting. Oh yeah, here it is. Should I try to set up free BSD to use Wayland instead of X11 on GOM? Didn't get it to work though. Yeah, I think I haven't. What's the word I'm looking for? I think they are both based on BSD. I was trying to set up a different one here yesterday, but it didn't go quite as planned as well. Let's set up this one, open source. This is still in process. Oh wait, I didn't do it completely. That's okay. I'll just change it up. Yeah, I need a. Yeah, I forgot to add another network. FreeBSD have the best guide through it. It's super easy to follow. I'll keep that in mind. But there is one thing I do want to do is basically I do need to shut this off because I forgot to add another network. So where is oh yeah, just shut it off here. Power off. Yep. Didn't manage to switch from excellent. Must have been an issue for me. Oh, you send dogs. Let's see that. Your BSD handbook. Oh, I'll definitely check this out. Might give me a little more insight. Now, oh yes, network adapter. I need to add another one. Network adapter French. So this one, maybe I could try to bridge it. And this one, I only done this with virtual bus. Yeah, let's try to bridge it as well. Yeah, let's see what happens. I don't think it might work. Oh no, wait. Yeah, that's okay, that's okay. I haven't done this in a while. Let's see. Okay, I seen somebody else. Basically, okay, for anybody new on the stream, just comment down your problem or issue and we'll try to get through it. Right now, I'm just setting up PSNs to show somebody else on how it looks like so they can see it themselves since they haven't done it before. Okay, so maybe it should link with my browser. I mean, it should link with my network right now since it's bridge. There shouldn't be any issues. Let's see if it works. Okay, one, okay, something didn't work here. Okay, one, assign interfaces. Okay, there are the interfaces. Shut up VLANs, no. It's basically like OP and Sense. So the WAN, they're both bridge, so let's do either one. And for the LAN, EN1, yes. Okay, that's taking a while. Just be careful to not leak anything. Some percent will show your IP and other private stuff on how PSNs work. That's true. That's very true. Okay, I'm gonna do something here. I'm gonna do this a little bit more safe now that I think about it. Let's use NAT. I'm gonna make this one close. Let me not do this on stream. That's true. Because it will show my IP. Hmm. Yeah, let's okay, I think I'm gonna pause this. Let's try something different. Yeah, I'm actually gonna go back to do the other part of this Fedora. I'm gonna go back and do this better. Thank you for that suggestion. Alfie, I almost forgot about the public IP. Yeah, you do that. You might like it or you might not. Like OPSense is more like a modern look, and PSense is more classical, more classic. I think I could see like a photo, maybe I could just show that instead. I can just tell you, give you like a little more of an idea. So okay, here's a perfect idea. So this is how the interface would always look like. So up top, system here, interface, firewall, services, VPN, status, diagnose. This is how it looks like. It's a bit intimidating, that's the word, and confusing when you haven't tried it the first time. At least for me it was. It took me a while just to get used to it. And what happened here? Exactly, yeah. Like OpenSense is more modern look. Like I like it, don't get me wrong, I like it, but since I've discovered this one first, I'm more into this one than the other one. What happened to this thing? Okay, there. That was weird. We see IP. I don't know if it's public or not. Just so you know. I'm pretty sure the one that you're seeing it's a private one, so I'm okay. Yeah, that's private. Now this is lagging a lot. Yeah, this is lagging way too much. I'm gonna do something. Let's okay, let's give this more power. Thanks for joining, JP. You have any problems or issues? Just ask them below, man. I'll just try to recreate it or see if we can find a solution for it. Right now, I'm just doing my own issues and problem to resolve a hypervisor that I'm running over here right now. So let's give this 17 gigs. Let's give it a more power. So honestly, it's not working. Power that on. Yeah, like anybody that's new on the stream or watching, the main purpose of this is just is there any computer issues or problems that you like want to try or resolve? Just ask them below. That's the whole point of the stream. Me, I'm just doing my own troubleshooting. Yeah, virtual machines on Windows 11 is a hit and miss. Thanks for joining, Alfie. I might do more configuration on the Discord. VMs on Windows 11 is a hit and miss. Well, yes and no. Honestly, like I would use Hyper-V, but right now, since I'm doing this hypervisor using the free edition here, the VMware SS, as you can see here, I'm trying to do a little configuration on it. But Hyper-V, like I had to disable Hyper-V to get this to work. Okay, now there we have the IP address for it. Now let's try to log in again. It's giving me so many issues. It's too slow. Let's see, maybe it's faster now. Okay, that should be faster. Fedora, let's try to see if we can run it now better. Oh no, wait, let's edit it. Let's give it more power. Let's give you 4 cores. Let's give you 8 of RAM. And save that. Oh, that's definitely faster now. Yeah, if you're still watching JB, man, any issues or problems you want to ask, I'll try to get them through. I'll try to recreate it or have the idea. Oh wow, that's much better. Yeah, let's install that. They recently created a Discord server, which I am trying to set up later on. I only set up a few parts. Let's see. Yeah, we want English. Use the entire disk, definitely. Don't want to encrypt it. Erase and install. Ah, it is fun. So if you want an idea, so yes, I am tinkering with Linux, installing that. So how this is running right now, we're using VMware Workstation Pro. This is a virtual machine that's running a hypervisor called VMware Essence. So I'm just going to the host, and I'm here on the host right now. So it's running off here. Let me just put this in full screen so you can just see it yourself. So now I'm just waiting for this virtual machine to install. So this is the physical web GUI of the system. Right, no wait, I want to minimize that. Minimize, yeah, that, okay. This is the system here. It's basically like your own little data center, if you want to call it like that. This is like the free edition. And yeah, basically that's it. You can configure here anything you want, add a storage, add a shared storage. It's very similar to, if you haven't heard about it, like if you had used it using Promox. It's also another very powerful open source hypervisor. I like this more, but I'm just tinkering with this one now. But I only have one monitor, so I gotta do this side by side so I can see the chat as anybody's talking. Just waiting for this to install. There shouldn't be any more issues. Just install it and I should be able to run it. Oh no, VirtualBox works great as well, man. I have it here. It's good for tinkering, but if you want to go more advanced, like if you're really into that, then hypervisors. Like VirtualBox is a hypervisor. Like don't get me wrong, it's super advanced. But if you like want to be more into it, this might be your area. At least for me, it's very similar, more user friendly, depending on how deep you want to go into it. Sound cracking issues. Like you mean from your speakers or from your headphones? Or like it would just happen randomly? Oh, when using VirtualBox. Huh, that's odd. That's odd. That's odd and curious. Mainly for me, I don't think I had that issue because I would not be using it for sound. I would just use it to just launch programs and do more troubleshooting on it. That's basically the purpose of what I do in this channel. It's how-to guides, straight to the point guides. If you're interested more, you can see my videos and anything they want to set up. But cracking sounds, like at first I thought that you were saying like it could have been like a speaker that's damaged and might emit that cracking sound, or a headset that's getting old and might emit it. But it started at VirtualBox. It's a little different. Might be something different. I was a big fan of Hypnotic app, so I use a lot of that Hypnotic app. I haven't heard of this. What is this? Hypnotic app. Hypnotic app. M3U IPTV player. Oh, okay. So this is an open for IPTV streaming delivered by the One X Men team. Stream live TV shows. Oh, I'd never heard about this one. I usually don't do a lot of, for me having medias. I usually don't do live TV. I mostly just do movie shows or music. But my best one would be used to use Jellyfin. It's pretty freaking simple. Like with this, you can add your media, your show, TVs, and even your music. Very similar to it looks similar to this one. I'll have to look into this one. I never heard about this one before. Hypnotic. It's an IPTV streaming platform. Live TV movies. Oh, okay. So you do have movies and shows. So you can add these movies like locally from your system, or would be like a third party. Oh, it comes with built-in channels. Huh. I didn't know that. That's curious. So it's already pre-installed, pre-built in. That's interesting. That's very interesting. You know what? Why don't I try to install this? Like, I'm gonna try to see if I can install this, and I'll use it with this one, since I already installed this Fedora. Let's wait for. I'm gonna wait for this to finish, because I could do more tinkering on this. Let's turn it back on. Oh, I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep it small. Okay, there I am. Is it loading? Yeah. Welcome. Yes, thank you. Yep. Yep. Just pick. Let's just pick here. Here we go. Yep. Yeah, I always use my name. Perfect. I don't really need a password, but fine, I'll put a password. Yep. For what I'm using this, not really much. Skip that. I just want the terminal. What's your IP? That's the IP. Okay. See, sudo dnf update. Any updates for this? Let's see. One IPv provider called Free TV. Just free and legal. Holy crap, that's pretty sweet. That's pretty freaking sweet. Okay. Yeah, just update that. Oh my god, 800 packages. Oh, that's gonna take a while. What do you say? It's got its issue, but overall, it's a decent experience. Well, it makes me want to try it. So it has free light TV. I'm pretty sure I could try to put this on my smart TV and maybe set it up. I'll need to first see how it works. Let's see. Okay, there's the source code. Oh, this is new. This is not even that old. 3 weeks ago. Oh, I like new stuff. Let's see. Jeez, that's gonna take a while. Okay. Okay, to any new viewers on the stream, please just tell me your problems. We'll try to fix the computer issues. The main purpose of this stream is to help. Any computer issues or problems, I'll try to fix it, find an alternative, or just collaborate with you guys to see if we can find something better. But still, man, thanks for joining, honestly. I was not expecting anybody to be on this. What's this says here? It's been on Linux Mint for years. Oh, I only tried Linux Mint for. I only tried like once. I still think it's a pretty good one. A pretty good distro. Okay. Yes. Oh my god, so many packages. I guess I had an old version of Fedora, jeez. Okay, god, this is gonna take a while. Still waiting for this to finish. I can try to install that app. I wanna try it so much. Gotta try it. Now, Linux Mint. The other distro that I have tried, well, I did try yesterday OpenSUS, and it was really good. I also tried Debian. Well, as you can see right now, Fedora, Kali Linux as well. I have tried it as well. All very good distros. OpenSUS was too much of a learning curve for me. Was very confused on how to install packages. Huh, really? I installed it last night. Somebody else in the chat mentioned it to me. I got into it. So you know what? While this is done, I'm gonna show you the one that he recommended. So I have it right here. I'm pretty sure I can run it. I have enough power for this, I'm pretty sure. So this is the one. I put it encrypted. Let's put the password so you can see it for yourself. It's supposed to be something called Gypsy for the package manager. Gypsy, something like that. I'm still not used to it. I literally installed this last night. Here it is. OpenSUS Tumbleweed. This is the one that he recommended me. Now, one thing that really caught my attention was, should I put this a little bit better there? There we go. Okay, now one thing that I love was, where is it? Where is it? So you can see it yourself. Here we go. Yes. The Yes Control Center. Now this thing, I love this. I did not expect, here you can literally manage everything. From what the other person on the chat was telling me yesterday. Media checks, software management. You can see here all the software that it has installed, install summary, updates, pending, repositories. Like, I like this part here. Software repositories, it tells you everything that you have for repositories. And you can just add them here. You can enable them, disable them. I just added here specific link. Like, this is more, I like this because this is more like if you're not a user that uses mainly terminal and you just want to use a program or an app, this thing, this I haven't checked if this yes is it's a package. I'm pretty sure it is, but I haven't downloaded. Like, I literally installed this last night. So it even tells you you can even configure the bootloader, network settings, like everything is here. It tells you how it's set up, modify it. This is a little, yeah, it takes a little time to get used to it. But hey, I honestly liked it. So I might use this more often. Like, you can even change your boot settings. It's there, all there. And honestly, dark mode for me. It's just me. But network settings, like something to me, changes on networks are a little bit different. I do get a warning here that it's being managed by something else, but that's alright. But you can also manage everything. I'm not sure how to configure this part, but by just seeing here on the back, I can see my network. You can add it, edit it. So that's pretty sweet, honestly. What else? Oh yeah, partition. If you want to partition your disk, all in a single all in a single step. Yeah, exactly. That's the only issue. Like, I understand it. Well, a little bit, I'll be honest, just a little bit. But what really caught my attention was this control center. Everything there in one simple place. Virtualization. I might use this more for virtualization to install tools. This is what I'm going to be using it more. But yeah, we have that. I might do more testing on it later on. So I'm gonna just power that down. Close this one, close that one. Now, what happened here? Did it crash on me? You can see it, it's running there. Oh no. Did this crash on me or something? Another user has console section. Okay, actually, I'm gonna put this in full screen. Okay, I do want to try to run this. Hi, Hypnotics. What was the name again? I have nothing. This is for a little, okay, Linux Mint, like you said. Maybe I could try and see if I could do it myself. Oh no, wait. I forgot I could just clone it. I'll do that. Okay. Uh, how is it that I need to run this? Code confuses me. How do I run this? So the nano readme. How is it that I run this command? Let's see. Damn it, I forgot. I need to do this. That's not it. Okay. Um, I think I just don't have it installed. Nope. I'm confused. Um, I'm a little confused. I don't understand. Maybe AI will help. This is why I am a big fan of the software app on this one, like Kitty and Mint. Oh, I see now. How do how do I save that? I run this. Let's try any AI. Whoops. So I'm a big fan of software apps on this one. Yeah, man. Some apps just really have a lot of things that you can literally try and change. Oh, this. Not really a computer. Not really a programming. It's confusing. How is it that I need to write? Yes, I already read the README file. I just don't understand how the make file works. Oh, I gotta use make? What? Don't know if this helps. Oh, wait. Don't know if this has. What are you talking about, JB? I'm confused. Maybe I should go back to the reading guide. Oh, the link. Oh yeah, you can send links here, but you could try to send it on the Discord. I did made a recently a Discord server. I just need to change a few things, but you can send it there. I pinged the invite link. Mm, GitHub Fedora. Oh, this is a guide. Oh, holy crap. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. I gotta check this. Wait, you might just save me on that part. It's the one you sent me is for Linux man. Well, let's see. What the hell is this? Here it is. This is the one that you sent. I try running the Fedora. Uh, so yeah, guess we could try this. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so I added the repository. So now this. I want to see that. Oh, that's a few files. Okay. Okay, so we're using Python here. Okay, that's done. Okay, now we're gonna download this. Wait, I don't think I have wget installed. Yeah, it's installed. Even better. Nice. Unzip it. Do I have? I do have it installed. Okay. But what else? Okay. Now let's just cd to it. Gotcha. Now let's go to the directory in there. Make all. Before I do that, what's in here? Oh, it's done. When the same will replace it with the language. Okay. Keep 3 installed. Okay, I guess I'll just keep following these steps. Maybe that will work. Okay. What else? Test from inside master directory or symlink or padded to global access. Oh, okay, so I'm guessing it's referring to that test folder. Oh no, wait, that's no wait, that's executive, and it's a file to launch. Okay. No such schema. Maybe I didn't do this. Okay, no. That one or this one? User bin. Okay, let's go back. Let's. Okay, here. So it says from here, try to launch that this one. Sudo. I think I'm missing something. Let me read the README file. I think I missed something. I think I did everything correctly, but I'm missing something. No. I okay. I feel I can feel it, JB. I'm so close, but I'm pretty sure there's something that I miss. Okay. There really has to be something. That's all right. We'll just keep troubleshooting it. Like if anybody has another issue troubleshoot they want to mention, go right ahead. That's while I am troubleshooting this. Oh wait, I don't think I did this one. I think this is the one that I missed. Or did I? Warning schema pad. This is the fun of That's true. This is the fun. Troubleshooting this stuff without anything else. Like, oh god, what did I do wrong? That's what I'm thinking right now. Like, I know I've missed something. I feel that we did all the steps. Like we did this. We added the repository, we installed the apps, we installed this, we downloaded this, unzip it, went to the directory, we make it, and now this, and also added this, and it says use the test from inside the master directory. Now this is the part that's not working. I'm pretty sure there's something that I missed. I'm not sure what is. Maybe we can ask. You know what? I want to ask the AI for a little bit of help. Maybe you can tell me what I'm missing. Because it says on the test, I can't see it. Okay, this thing is saying here to run it. Maybe I don't need sudo to run it. Just put test. Oh, wait, what? Oh, I'm missing a module. So that means system is deprecated, means a feature, function, or service is outdated, no longer recommended for use. Okay, wait. I'm not really sure on this part. I didn't see it. I need to double check that. Okay, now. Okay, line 29. I think I am missing something. Let's see. Maybe AI can help me on this part. Let's see. Yes, but we're missing it. Oh, that's how you do the. Oh God, I'm dumb. So, wait. Okay, there we go. So, was that it? Ah, there we go. It's launch. Oh, holy crap! What the hell? 1,600 channels, 225 movies. What the heck? So that was it. I was just missing a module. Okay, well, thanks AI. That really helped. Easy, good job. AI to the rescue. Okay, so once I'm gonna put this in a big screen. What is this? Oh, keyboard shortcut, stream information about. Okay. What else is in here? Oh, search bar. Okay. So this is just automatically has movies from a lot of different countries. So I just pick any of these and it's just gonna run. Let's try easy, good job. Oh, yeah, man. Thank you. I literally thank you. Now I have something random, something new to play with. Let's try Canada. Do I just gotta click it? Oh, I did gotta click it. Okay. What is this? Full screen and the little one. Oh, that's the same one. This is just full screen. Oh, it tells you where you need to double click the channels on the left. Double click the channels on the left. Maybe this one says not online. Some of them work, some of them don't. It's a pain. Okay, okay, gotcha. Does it take like a long time for it to load up, or really just depends? Like the Russian news channel, or if you want to try those. Oh yeah, definitely. Russian. What was? Yeah, it depends. I usually give about 30 seconds. Okay. Where the okay, the Russian. Okay, let's try that. Okay, let's get that over like 30 seconds. Oh, holy shit. Cool. Oh, I can't hear it. Can you hear it? Oh wait, maybe I just don't have volume on this enable. You said the second one never fails me. I'll check that. Sound, I don't think, I think I don't have the volume. I think the volume is working. I think I just don't, it's not working correctly. No, but you can see the speech bubbles on the media controls. Oh, I can see that, yeah. Like if you switch that, it grabs the sound from somewhere else. You're talking about this button right here to the left? Because if I use this one, it just mutes it. Pretty sure this is full screen. Oh, I see. I see what you mean here. Audio. Okay, so yeah, so it's this thing here. Okay, gotcha. I do. You said the other channel worked. Let's try the other channel. Said the second one didn't failed you. Okay, this is this is frozen right now. Oh no, that's all right. Where's the I did say it has issues. This is one of them. The player crashes a lot when you try to. Ah, that's okay. Now I see what you mean. That's all right. That's one of the issues. Okay, gotcha. Okay. Well, let's do something. Well, that was the test one that worked. I'll just try it again. Okay, man, take your time. Okay. So anybody new on the stream? The whole purpose of this stream is to troubleshoot problems or alternatives. If you have any issues with your computer right now, just leave a comment on the chat. This is the whole purpose of this stream. Right now, JB here was telling me about something called Hypnotos. No clue what it was. And we're trying to troubleshoot it and get it to work. So right now it's working. He says there's issues with it, but hey, we got it to work. Supposedly this is like live TV and free movies and stuff. So yeah, it really depends. But if you have any computer issues you want to try to fix, we can stop this and go with that, because this is basically done. But I'm just still testing it out to see how it really is. Try Austria. Okay. It's quite interesting. You see the URL where it pulls it up from the ITV. Never tried to just search it from the URL. I think if I do that, it should like try to launch it directly. But I'm gonna try to do it with the Russian ones, since you said, wait, I closed it. Damn it. Oh, I'm guessing that those are the issues I was having. Let's try to do that again. Let's see. Maybe, no, not there. Russia. Let's try again the first one. I think it was the first one. Oh, you said the second one always works. Let's give that a few seconds. I can't copy it. So I'm gonna have to do this manually. Let's see. Streaming the televisor as 24 slash live slash 6. Oh, but wait, this it's not working. This one. I want to try again the first one. That's the one that worked. Edge 1 dot 1 internet dot TV. Ah, damn. No, I can't see it. Okay, here we go. Slash dash live 2 streams 1 TV dash dot mbd. Okay, let's see where that launches me. It's not found. But okay, so it's running from an NGX server. That's curious. What if we tried? Let's do something a little different. I think it's because we don't have access to it. But what if we just run it from here? It's forbidden. Okay, never mind. So we can't. What if we try to do like this? I don't think this will work. No, we can't launch it. Oh well, it was worth a try. And now we know it doesn't want to run there. Okay, but that's all right. At least we got it to work. Like you said, it's not perfect, but it works. I'm so freaking surprised it works. Yeah, I don't think I will hear the volume or the audio because I'm this virtual machine. But still, that's all right. It freaking works. So this is gonna. I think if I try to close it, it's not gonna close. So I think I was just open a different one. Would it change it? Okay, yeah, I did change it. I can see here the name change. So now it's using 2960. Oh, that one froze. So that means that one doesn't work. Okay, let's try this one. Oh. No, it doesn't want to work. So wait, so what are we seeing when it does work? Let's scratch that. Let's try to open again the first one. It says downloading your playlist. It's waiting. Okay, here's some warnings. Fail to open. So now it failed. That's odd. That's really odd. It crash right now? How can you tell? Uh, oh, that's weird. Oh, there we go. I see your message. Okay, that's weird. That was really odd. Okay, never mind. I didn't think that could happen. No, now I know that even the chat can crash. Okay. Ah, my arms. So Hypnotic is working. It's just like you said, it has a lot of little glitches. But I really want to try to run this again, but I think it's stuck. So it's just gonna have to do this over again. Let's try movies. Huh? Instead of TV channels, click on movies, then try the Pluto channel. That hasn't failed me ever. Set up TV channels like on movies. Okay, I'll try that. Okay, instead of TV channels, click on movies and try the Pluto channel. Linked on in movies. Okay, let's see. Try the Pluto channel. Let's try Pluto action. Oh wow, that's pretty fast. Oh, I know this movie. This is what's the name? This is I forgot the name. It's damn. Um Sorrow. Yeah, Sorrow. That's the name of this movie. That actually worked pretty fast. Okay, now I see the issue is like to close it. Like that's a big issue. Now if I try to do it, so every time I launch it, I gotta like force to close it and then just try it again. That's alright. It's not that big of a deal. It is it is an issue. Yeah, most of Pluto channels work well. Good to keep that in mind. But the closing thing, yes, nah, I can see why it's a little bit annoying. It's been like that for 6 months without a fix. Oh, that sucks. Well, 6 months. I'm guessing whoever made it just hasn't updated anything yet. So this one has been released. Okay, this one's older. Yeah, this has been 20. Oh, this is 4 years old. This is really cool. Um, let's try the other one. Pluto, fantastic. Let's try that one. Oh, Twilight. Okay. Hey, but it loads pretty fast. That's surprising. How is full screen on this? I not tried it in a while. Gotcha. See, okay, full screen works good. Audio switching. Oh, I can take off the audio and everything. Interesting. I mean, for me, it's like it's a cool. Hey man, it works and it's free. Of course, it's a good app. God damn it, that the closing thing that now I see that's a bit of annoying. That's a little annoying. But I would definitely use this for movies. I wouldn't use it for live TV. But there's just one thing. We're running it using the test file. What if I try to run it with... Okay, no, not that. Generate desktop files. What would happen if I do that? Okay, so pip3 install min command. No, I definitely do believe it is a pretty cool app. Maybe we can try to fix this part and try to generate it. Maybe this will give us more insight. Let's see if AI can help us in this. Maybe this will give me more insights. No, I'm not good with this. Ah, that's alright. Let's go to here. What's in Ben? Okay, yeah, this is what I want to try. Okay, let's try to go to this here. Let's try this. Okay, let's try that version because that was a test one. If you're planning on using it a lot, I set up a Mint virtual machine since it comes pre-installed. Oh, it comes pre-installed on a Mint. Okay. Okay, then I'll keep that one in mind. Now let's try this one. This is not the test, this is another one. Let's try Hong Kong. Ah, okay, that works. That's pretty neat. Okay, this is supposed to be working. Okay, yeah, that's working. You have to check that. Now, will it do the same thing? Yeah, it does the same thing when you close it. So there's no avoiding that part. Close that out, and then it works. What about movies here? Comedy. So Pluto works either way. Wow, that's freakishly fast. That is freakishly fast, not gonna lie. God damn it, that really is annoying. And it doesn't close here in the terminal. That's another little thing. Gotta force and open it again. Now let's try USA here. Lego. Let's give that a try. Does it let you just switch the channel without closing the video window whatsoever? Does it let you switch the channel without closing the video window? Um, I haven't really tried that because it's just, let's see, this is the full screen. This is the shortcut. This is, what's this one? Add to favorites. This is the a search, and this is, oh yeah, I can switch. Yeah, I can switch. But I think this is gonna crash. Well, can I get out of here? Okay, yeah. Let's try Pluto Crime. So I switched to another one. So yeah, it would be this button. Ah, okay, so yeah, it does let me get out. Okay, so this is running, but one thing. Here, so it opens another, so it opens a separate. So I think if I would switch back out of here and go to, let's try Pluto Horrors, would it play it or would it crash? I I think it crashed it. Yeah, I think it literally just crashed it. Oh, no, it works, it works. It works. So it just takes it just takes a little while. So it doesn't crash it, so that part works. It just opens another terminal here. Let's just go back there, and we can try to go, let's try the, is it, oh, the Pluto one works. Let's try the Paramount one. It should give us a bit more of an insight if it does work, because we can see now it's trying to load. I'm not sure if it's also my internet, but oh no, look at that. There it is. Okay, so it didn't advise me. So I think it might be better to just switch than close it. So let's try Pluto TV cult films. There we go. Yeah, I just tried the official one and the video player's crashing. It's still an issue. Okay, so I think the best thing to do is just basically just keep switching channels. I think that might be more better. Um, these are the news. Let's try Spain. Hip hop. Let's try the hip hop. Hip hop. Let's see. So okay. So here's the name of it. So it switched it, but it's still not loading. I don't think. Well, let's give it a. Oh, what happened? It went black. Oh no, I think that one says crash. Okay, I don't think that one's working. Okay. Let's try another. Let's try 90s throwback. Okay, so I don't think this is gonna work. Let's go with Pluto Terror. Mm, now I think it. Now I think it's just froze. Let's. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna close it out. Let's try to open it again. I picked this one. Let's see. Yeah, it froze, but it's working. No, that's pretty interesting though. Okay, JB, I thank you for watching the stream, man. But right now, I am gonna take a little break. I haven't eaten anything, and I'm gonna continue the stream later today to do some more troubleshooting parts. To anybody new or just watched the stream recently, I thank you everybody for watching the stream. I'm gonna take a short break and come back in the afternoon. So I'm very appreciated for anybody just watching this stream. 30 people logged in, people are chatting. That makes me so happy. You have no idea. I didn't think this was actually gonna work. So now I'm just going to do this more often. I might make more videos about this. So to everybody that joined, thank you. Honestly, thank you. I'll try to get on in the midday afternoon. Thanks for the content. Same goes to you, JB. Thanks for joining, man. I'll see, I'll see everybody later in the day. I'm going to be doing some Discord editing to the server and other stuff. So stay tuned for that. Thank you once more time. Same to you, JB. You have a nice day as well, friend.